face. No, you're not filming me eating, are you?
Hi, I'm Mrs. Space Cadet. Welcome back to my brain. And welcome to our Saturday morning and another episode of Diet Starts Monday. Oh, what'd you get there, Dan? You got a glob of butter?
I did.
Do you want to rate your peanut butter pancake?
10 out of 10. How long are you gonna keep this on me?
I don't know. You just look so majestic over there.
Oh, majestic, yeah.
Coffee. It's what makes the world go round, man. We were gonna do a hike, but we figured, why not do a bike? All loaded up. Let's go. Where'd you get this at?
Somebody on me.
Apparently, we just rode our bikes 14 miles. Dan was pulling like 70 extra pounds with the bike trailer and the kids. How you feel?
Good.
I had 2 beers, so I feel great. Yeah, buddy. Douchey sunglasses.
That's right.
Feral kids. Look at the disaster that our front porch is. I look completely fried. Because I am. In a good way. It was a good day. Until next time.